What is up, YouTube? I'm back with a new video. I hope you all enjoyed the previous video that I posted about me putting up LED lights in my room and giving JD and Bam their Christmas gifts since it was late. So, new video is about me getting a Christmas gift that I've been waiting to get for a while. Well, really not waiting to get, but the shoes I've been trying to get for a while. Finally got them, thanks to my nephew. Let me break it down. Yeah, so this video is going to be about me showing you how I got the Christmas gift that I wasn't expecting to get, and I got tricked. I've been trying to get these shoes for a long time. I finally got them. I've been trying to go on every shoe app, website, Facebook group trying to buy these shoes. I could just never get them. And the shoes that I was trying to get was the Comme Des Garcons Chuck Taylors. It's just something about like this, I don't know, it's just something about the Chuck Taylor like silhouette and build. It's just classic to me and I just like them. And they just look good, even they're dirty or clean, you can still make it look good with the outfit, no matter how they look. So I want to take you all into how it all came about and how I got the shoes for my nephew. I want to show you a clip from Christmas when I had got them and I opened my gift from my nephew. Rolled the fit, gave me some. Yeah. So all that stuff I don't bought him. Okay. I gotta get this on. Hey, I just want to see what he got me.
No, you don't.
Alright, you're over there. Somebody get that boy some cereal. Come on, man. You know how to rip it off.
Right.
Hurry up.
Another ball.
I know, he about to cry. Man.
Bro, I've been wanting these shoes for so long. And the way he got me, we was at the mall, and he like, what kind of shoes you like? I've been wanting those Comme Des Garcons Chuck Taylor. So I wasn't paying attention. He like, what size shoes you wear? I said 11 and a half. And he probably got them there.
Oh, that was so sweet. That was so sweet.
Hey, so I hope you all enjoyed watching me open my gift for my nephew on Christmas. Yes, I know it's been kind of late of me posting this video since it's January now, but I've been busy and trying to get stuff done. Finally got some things done. So yeah, my nephew tricked me. We went to the mall, we went Christmas shopping, and for his brothers and my nephews, which are my nephews, we were sitting in the food court and we were just talking about shoes and stuff like that. And as we were talking, he like, yo, what kind of shoes you plan on getting next? I'm like, I've been trying to get the Comme Des Garcons Chuck Taylor for the longest. Like every time I go like online or somewhere trying to buy them, I just can't get them. So I just say not even bother no more. So I just like, the way I look at it, if I can't get something or if I'm out looking for something that I really want and I can't find it and the store don't have it, I take that as a sign as it ain't meant for me to have at that moment. There's a specific reason for me not to have it. So I take that sign and just say, all right, I'm not supposed to have it right now, I'll just wait. So when my nephew bringing it up, what kind of shoes you want, I just told him like I would say Comme Des Garcons Chuck Taylor. So we just left it at that. We just sitting there talking, waiting on our food to come out. And so as we just sitting there talking, we leave, we get like hop in the car, he just bring me back home. And he brought me back home, so he's like, damn, I'm trying to get these right here. And he was just showing me the shoes he was trying to get. He like, but they don't got in my size. Like, what size you wear? I said, I wear either 11, 11 and a half. So he tricked me and he bought them for me. And yeah, so he tricked me and bought them for me, and then he had got them for me for Christmas. I opened it up and I was just excited about it. And let me show you the shoes. I know I'm talking a lot, but let me get to it. When I opened the box up with my gift and I seen the heart, I knew what it was off the bat. I'm like, this kid is so slick. So slick. And he bought me the shoes that I wanted. And he bought everybody like dope gifts. He bought his brother, a PS4 and a Nintendo Switch for Christmas. And this kid only 19 and he making really good money and he just wanted to like treat us. And so anyway, these are the shoes I've been trying to get for the longest. Yes, they was like $110. And he bought them for me. I was beyond excited. I guess there was a moment I was supposed to get them. And it just meant a lot to me that he had got these for me because like when he was a kid growing up, he was like a big gamer. My nephew was very big into gaming. So every Christmas or his birthday, come around here and ask me, Uncle, can you buy me this game? Uncle, can you buy me this? Can you buy me that? I'm like, yeah. I had the money, I was working, I had a good job. So I always gave him things that he always wanted as long as his grades and things was good when he was in school. So I bought him everything he wanted. And getting this back from him, just this one gift, this is my first gift from my nephew. And with him getting me these meant a lot because I just felt that sense of I did so much for this kid and he looked out for me because he knew that I went out my way to get him what he wanted. And that meant a lot. And he's like my little brother, even though he's my nephew. He's like, what, 11 years younger than me. He's 19, I'm 30. So we talk to each other like we're brothers all the time. And it just meant a whole lot to me when he gave me these shoes. And I just really appreciated it. So I'm gonna do a fit part of the video just showing me wearing out. I'm gonna put some jeans on because the shoes already go with the shirt. So I'm gonna do a fit part of the video so you all can see how I look on feet. And yeah, let's go.
Yeah, hey, I got Molly, I got Zans, I got scripts, I got perks, got the gang in a rave, and we moving all this work. Got gas, got coat, same color t-shirt. White girl off Molly, she ain't got no t-shirt. I'm a bad motherfucker, I got downers, I got uppers, from the window to the wall. I have your ass tripping balls. So your favorite rapper Zan, so your favorite stripper purse. I done popped another Zan, she gon' pop another purr, yeah. Yeah, I might buy some Molly, yeah, right time for it. My man might catch the...
Hey. Sit.
Hey.
Sit. Okay.
Hey.
Go ahead and sit.
All
All right, be that way then. I love you. All right, bye.
Alright, so I'm back. I hope you all enjoyed it. Seeing the fit part of the video, or how I will look at my feet, how I look with my outfit. Also, Chuck Taylors do look nice when they're dirty. Personally, and I can prove it. Hold on. I've been wearing these Chucks for a while. Probably 3 years. 3 or 4 years I've been wearing these. You can see the dirt. I don't care. They look good dirty. I pulled many women wearing these shoes. They did not care. But I'm not saying they're just wearing dirty shoes. You can't just wear dirty shoes to pull them on me. But yeah, I pulled them in these and they work. So you can always wear dirty shoes, like dirty Chucks, and they still look fine. Even dirty Vans look good as well. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be a vlog, an artsy vlog. You'll see why I say that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Casual Mac out. Peace.
To the wall, I have your ass tripping balls. So your favorite rapper Zan, so your favorite stripper purse. I done popped another Zan, she gon' pop another purr.